we have our fresh fish. Fresh fish is very soft. We washed it with boiled water and salt, and the back just peeled off immediately. Very soft fish. And this is our prawn and half cooked snail. This is our water snail. That white one is the water snail, and the green one is periwinkle. This one is our pounded yam. For thickening the soup, red oil, okra with uziza leaf, crayfish, ground pepper and ground onion. So we have our prawn and half cooked snail. Garnish it with some onion and pepper. This seafood will need enough pepper for people like us that don't like seafood, people like me especially. My husband loves seafood, but me, I know too bad do one. So I'm preparing this for him. My seasoning cube has gone in. This is my salt, and allow to boil. You add a little water, just more. Okay. This is a typical fisherman soup. In cooking fisherman soup, you use everything fresh fish, fresh anything that you know that a fisherman can get easily from his environment. That is what we use in cooking this soup. So this fish now has boiled for 5 minutes. We will take it out and use the stock to continue, the stock or the broth to continue our cooking. I'll continue cooking with the snail because the snail takes longer time to get tender. I'll add some water to my fish stock. It's necessary you remove the fish because fish is easily softened, so it doesn't get too tender. So I'll start cooking now. My oil. Let me on my gas. My pepper goes in and all of my onion. Like I said, this soup, it cannot tolerate sea fish, sea prawns, all those sea. Put enough pepper. Crayfish. I love crayfish a lot. Seasoning cube. My thickener. So I've finished adding my thickener. These are my thickener. So I'll now allow it to boil for some time. These are my sea snail. So let me introduce it. I'm okay with this consistency. Look at the consistency. I'm okay. So I'm bringing out some of the yam, so it doesn't get more thick. This consistency is okay. Okay. So I'll now introduce my periwinkle. Gently. consistency is okay. My okra. This okra is just for garnishing sake. That's why it's not plenty. You turn gently because of the fish. This fisherman's soup for you. I'll add my uziza leaf. Ooh. Our fisherman's soup is ready for consumption. This fisherman's soup went to Harvard and it is back. This fisherman's soup can be accompanied with gari, semovita, semolina, amala, fufu, any kind of swallow. I have other ibibio foods on my channel. If you are interested, you can check it in my description box. I'll drop the link. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you like food like me or you like doing things yourself. That's DIY, because in this channel we bring contents back to back. Thank you.